Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change voice on Capcut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Capcut PC application and I'm going to show you how we can change our voice on Capcut. If we want to change our voice, we need to use a voice changer. You can apply the voice changer to your video or your audio. The first one, I'm going to show you how we can apply voice changer to our video. We just need to click on our video like this, and then we can go to the audio menu, and then we're going to click on voice changer. And here we'll be able to apply voice changer to our video. Okay, and then I'm going to show you how we can apply or change our voice on the audio. We just need to tap on the audio and then go to the voice changer. Okay, and you just need to select the voice changer that you want to apply to your audio. I'm going to go to the voice characters and select this one. Okay, I'm going to play the... Welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you... And wait. Alright, now the voice changer has been applied.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you...
Okay. And alright guys, that's all the way to change voice on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!